In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Twitch error 1000 when playing a video. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is open up twitch.tv on your browser. I'm going to open mine up right now. And then from this point, if anything's not working, like let's say you're trying to, show a video, anything like that, and it's not working, all you want to do is press this little icon on the top left where it says view site information. Then go over to cookies and site data. And then you're going to see manage on device site data. It's going to show everything that Twitch has. And then all you're going to do is click the delete or trash icon next to twitch.tv completely and all of those entries, just completely wipe them. Press the trash icon on all of them. Then press done. Once you're done with that, then press F5 to refresh your Twitch. But you're just going to need to log back into your profile. And then from that point, you should be good to go. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.